Bonjour. I'm still not feeling well. I don't even know what it is. What's the matter, my boy? I'm sick, Grandma. Oh, I know you are. You want some tea? Yeah, that'd be good. Okay, I'll make you some tea. You want some honey with your tea? Yeah, okay. Why am I so sick, Grandma? Maybe it's the flu. No, I don't think it's the flu. Maybe you got bit by a tick. By a tick? Is it got? Why would that matter? You might have the Lyme's disease. Lyme's disease? What's that? Oh, I don't know. It's a disease you get from getting bit by a tick. Oh, wow. I hope it's not that. You know who I think would have had a lot of ticks, Grandma? Who's that? Bigfoot. Sape. Sape. Okay, kids, maybe that'll be our word for today. Sape. Bigfoot. And what can I say about Bigfoot? You know, this one time, I had a bunch of dreams with Bigfoot in them. And I went to a medicine man, a mushkiki enemy. And I said, hey, Jumbo, I've been having these dreams of Bigfoot. What do they mean? Bigfoot. And Jumbo sits down and he says to me, you know, Bigfoot is a spirit. And it's very rare he lets anybody see him, even in dreams. So this is what I want you to do. We're going to build you a stand out in the woods. And you go out there and you fast for 4 days and 4 nights. Yeah, that was a day I learned don't tell a medicine man your dreams. Okay, well, I'm going to go have some tea. Maybe I'll feel better tomorrow. All right, thanks. Miigwech. You've been watching Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO, the show, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Okay, Grandma, I'm done. You go wab 'em in. I'll see you again. Oh, wow.